So guys, this is my GPR nude 125. Yeah, as you can see, it's in a pretty bad state. But this is the project for the summer, to get this running. There's quite a few things, and you can see there's cobwebs, and mould all over this. Mould. The wine's horrible. No, let's just look at it. But I've got new wheels and some new panels and mudguard and front fairing and everything coming. So that's the new project. I ordered the wrong seat, so for anyone who's got one of these, don't get a Aprilia RS50 seat. It's the same shape, but it's not the right size. Yeah, so I'll keep you posted. Peace.